Are you ready to achieve the prestigious Certified Management Accountant (CMA) certification in just 6 months? The CMA Exam Review Complete Set 2026 by Zane Academy gives you everything you need to prepare, practice, and pass both CMA Part 1 and CMA Part 2 exams with a flat 50% discount. Unlike other courses, this is a complete, all-in-one package designed according to the latest IMA syllabus, so you won't need to buy any other materials. What's inside the CMA Exam Review Complete Set 2026? 1,991 questioning mind study points. Develop deep conceptual clarity with examiner-style questioning. 2,125 true-false questions. Test your understanding of key topics quickly. 2,125 fill-in-the-blanks questions. Strengthen memory recall and accuracy. 2,125 one-word answer questions. Sharpen exam day precision. 1,035 key learning outcomes. Align with IMA's CMA requirements. 263 matching questions. Practice exam-style knowledge connections. 363 Memory Aids Mnemonics. Retain complex concepts easily. 253 mind maps. Visualize topics for faster recall. 748 practical examples. Apply theory to real-world scenarios. 4,136 multiple-choice questions, MCQs with explanations. Practice exam-relevant questions with detailed reasoning for every answer choice. Key benefits for CMA candidates. Target CMA certification in 6 months. Study just 3 hours on weekdays and 6 hours on weekends for 2 months per part, and you'll be exam ready. Lifetime access. No time or device limits. Your subscription gives you integrated printable PDFs of the study guides and exam questions that work on all screen sizes. Study anywhere, anytime. Save money and time. Skip expensive video subscriptions or classes. You get comprehensive self-study material optimized for retention. Free samples on request. WhatsApp or email Zane Academy to receive CMA study material samples before you decide. Personal support and mentorship. Direct access to Zane's guidance as your CMA mentor via WhatsApp and email. Support continues until you pass. Boost knowledge retention. CMA learning articles via Zane Academy's WhatsApp channel help you revise smarter and remember longer. Power guarantee. Pass the CMA exam or keep studying free. With the power guarantee, Zane Academy is committed to your success. You will receive personalized guidance, continuous support, and updated study strategies until you pass both CMA exams. We stay with you every step of the way. No candidate left behind. Why choose Zane Academy's CMA Exam Review Complete Set 2026? Covers the entire IMA syllabus. No need to refer to any other source. Designed for busy professionals who want to pass the exam on the first attempt. Affordable pricing with a 50% discount. Get premium resources at the lowest cost. Trusted by candidates worldwide for clarity, structure, and mentorship. Becoming a certified management accountant has never been easier. Start today with Zane Academy's CMA Exam Review Complete Set 2026 and fast-track your journey to global recognition in management accounting. Contact us on WhatsApp or email at help@zaneacademy.us to get free CMA samples now.